Hello, and once again, I welcome to all the students of Degree Part 1 of LNMS College, Birpur. You know, today, in continuation of my online classes, I am going to teach you a very good poem of Sir Walter Scott. This poem is prescribed in the syllabus of both the science and arts students. Patriotism, as it is very much clear in the title of the poem, that the meaning of the complete poem is based on the theme of patriotism. Now, come to the poem. Patriotism is a very good poem written by Sir Walter Scott. Like many other poems of Scott, this poem also reflects his deep love for the Scottish land. The bold title of the poem, of course, focuses directly on the theme of patriotism and his intense love for his motherland. In the first few lines of the poem, the poet Walter Scott asks a rhetorical question whether there is a man who does not feel proud of his nation. If such a man lives in this world, he is dead at heart. The poet says that a man who doesn't love his own country is devoid of feeling of patriotism. Such a man is alive, no doubt, but there, or you can say, his inner soul is dead. He is physically alive, but spiritually dead. He is not at all regarded anywhere in the society. The poet here asks the people to take a careful notice of the man who is not inspired by the feeling of patriotism, because no one will ever care for him. According to the poet, such unpatriotic man is like a dog who has no feeling of love towards his motherland and any other than himself. Therefore, his soul is dead. He may have worldly praise, power, and wealth, but he is selfish and not at all interested in the welfare of his country. You see, the poet here uses the word wretch for those miserable and unfortunate persons. The poet's view about such type of man who utilizes his wealth and powers for his selfish ends is unfortunate and miserable. The poet further says that the man who is selfish and who doesn't love his motherland is hostile. When he dies, nobody weeps for him, nobody honors him. The poet S.W. Scott further says that such an unpatriotic man dies twice during his life. Once because he lives in an unfortunate and miserable way, and twice when he meets his real death without sympathy, honor and grace. And this is very much clear in these lines of the poem. And doubly dying shall go down to the wild dust from where he sprung, unwept, unhonored, and unsung. Thus, we see that the poet S.W. Scott says that no one will be ready to drop their tears after an unpatriotic person's death. In other words, you can say that nobody is even ready to mourn the death of a person who has no love for his motherland. The poet even says that no one honors him at the time of funeral and is ready for even the funeral prayers. Scott's poem Patriotism has a feeling of battle song. The figure of speech used in this particular poem is alliteration, which means same letter and sound at the beginning of adjacent and closely connected words. The poem is made up of rhyming couplets. You see here, the poet Walter Scott uses alliteration in virtually every line, and sometimes there are two alliteration in the same line, and sometimes even three in the same line. And we can say that S.W. Scott uses alliteration which adds the music and rhyme in this poem. This effect is achieved through meter rhyme and alliterations. In this way, dear students, from this particular poem of Sir Walter Scott, the moral that we have is to die for the same country, our motherland that gives us our lives, praise, health, wealth, and in the nutshell, you can say everything that we possess. We should really love and respect to our native country, no matter what the cost may be. Thus, or you can say, then only will our soul die in peace and honor. We will be sung upon our deaths and will always be remembered not only by our fellow countrymen but by the entire world.